Welcome to the channel. In this video we will see how we can download and install Visual Studio Code in Windows 11 operating system. So the first thing that we have to do is we have to open up any browser that is installed in our computer. I have Microsoft Edge. I'm gonna open it up, and here in the URL bar we will enter the address as code.visualstudio.com, and after that we will hit the enter button and the website will be opened, and we can straight away see the option for downloading for the Windows operating system. We will click on this and the VS Code for Windows will start downloading. If it doesn't start, then you can use the direct link here. We will wait for the download to finish. Okay, now the download is complete. If I take the cursor on this downloaded file, then I can see the option of open file. I'm going to click on that. It will open up the Visual Studio Code installer, and here we will accept the agreement, and then we will click on next, and we will not change anything in here. We will click on next, and again here we will click on next, and here we will check these two options, which will add a open with code option whenever we right click on a folder or a file. And also if you need a desktop icon, then you guys can choose, then you guys can check this. I don't need the desktop icon, so I'm not going to check that. And after that we will click on next and click on install. It will install VS Code. We just have to wait. Now we will click on this finish. Since we have checked this launch Visual Studio Code, it will open up the Visual Studio Code, and that's it. We have downloaded and installed Visual Studio Code in Windows 11 operating system. So this is it guys for this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you later in the next one.